Hi everybody, and welcome to my lab. Today I have a video that's a little bit different for you. I've been asked by a couple people to show them how to import an image into AutoCAD. And so the first step is to find the image that you actually want to bring in. And how I did this was I simply did a Google search for microchip pinout for the snap, and I found a link that led to the microchip website. I then found the exact image that I wanted and rotated it as I want it to be presented in my AutoCAD drawing. From here, you simply use the snap tool, and we're going to create a new snipping tool image. And so here we are. I'm going to grab that image, and it looks good to me. So there's a couple things that we can do. We could save it and do it that way, or we can simply use the copy, so Control C, go back to our AutoCAD and Control V and paste it. Now the functions that you can do with this are somewhat limited. You can scale it, but you're going to have trouble rotating it, and there's not much you can do with it other than that because it is a static object. Okay? I hope this helps, and please keep the questions coming. I really look forward to hearing from all of you and want to solve any of your problems as we're going through. Okay? Thanks, and have a great day.